Differential privacy. So, ano to itong differential privacy na to? Ito naglilimit ka ng access to individuals, but yung groups, yung related dun sa groups, hinahayaan mo pa rin ma-access. So, pinoprotektahan mo yung individuals, yung access to individuals, pero yung about groups, hinahayaan mo ma-access o ma-analyze. So, ibig sabihin, yung individual aspect ang iyong pinoprotektahan. But yung groups, which is more general, yun ang iyong ipinapakita. So, differential privacy, which is one of the things that perturbation in computer science does. So, yun yung example ng perturbation, yung mag-a-add ka ng noise to protect sensitive information while allowing for data analysis. Ibig sabihin nung data analysis mo, group, as a group, hindi as individuals. So, yun yung aking pagkakaintindi. Well, sana tama naman. So, yun lang pa.